generate co-integrate quads.csv, then moondev API all live recent series reads, all live order book reads, all repeated scans during the entry/exit loops. Why appending would only be needed? Appending is only necessary if you want one continuous rolling time series where the older part came from Hyperliquid and the newer part came from moondev. Okay, yes. That means the natural seam is not append data. The natural seam is switch providers. So where exactly can we do a clean split? For all live 2-leg bots, for all 4-leg bots, that is the seam. So the right mental model is this: find co-integrated pairs is a batch analytics job. Trade the saved pairs is a live signal job. Okay, beautiful. My honest view, this is the cleanest architecture. You're okay recomputing quad pairs only periodically, and moondev can get the live bots enough recent history for their rolling windows. For example, if a live bot needs 100 bars to compute the current z-score, and moondev can serve that directly, no append needed. If moondev can only serve a shorter live window than the bot needs, then you either append new bars. That is the provider constraint, not a strategy constraint. So the real decision is, if Hyperliquid historical writes co-integrated pairs, moondev can independently serve enough bars. Yes, clean split, no append. The last point matters. So if moondev cannot independently serve enough recent bars, append at the data adapter level locally, not in the strategy. Let's do that. All right, let's go ahead and move forward with this then, because I mean, theoretically, all of these 4 bots are run based off of a nice clean structure of different code files. So you should be able to do this quite nicely, and then it will really apply to all 4, right? Maybe not the 4-leg. Maybe you have to do it again on the 4-leg, but whatever. Let's get it. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you very much for asking. Thank you for continuously asking. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Really grateful that you continue to ask me all these questions about that codex. Yes, this one, of course. You can do that as well. I wonder if there's a YOLO mode here. Is there a way to make codex not ask so many questions, like continue without asking all the yes, no questions? Like a YOLO mode, like Claude Code has. Thank you. Let's see. Yes, please. Okay, so I'm doing the split here, and there is, Madden says. Thank you. How do you do that? And if you're new here to the Zoom, you do get the keys. So the key is there to the Hyperliquid data layer through moondev API. I actually just added some cool stuff too. So like I said, you do get the roadmap, you do get the Discord, frequently asked questions, RBI system, alpha generation, book list, moondev AI agents, crypto data. This is pretty cool that you can download data. That's pretty cool. That's a expensive thing. You also get the moondev app, and you get the Hyperliquid data layer API, which is fire. You can see the examples, everything you can get here. And I actually added some stuff for Polymarket as well that I'm going to work on here in a minute. Actually, I might do this at the same time, but let's go ahead and see what she said. The split is in place in the shared data layer, so it applies cleanly across the bot set. What changed? Constants2.py now declares a provider as Hyperliquid or moondev. Okay, beautiful. Now has a dedicated Hyperliquid historical fetch helper. Func public sends discovery history through the historical. Why this works: 2-leg discovery came from construct market prices. Yes, and they inherit the historical Hyperliquid lane automatically. All live exit and entry scanners still get recent candles from there, so they inherit the moondev lane automatically. How it works: regular. Okay, what I verified, what I did not do. I did not change the bot math. Beautiful. I did not append or merge logic. Beautiful. I did not live run the full bots. So the current structure is this. Okay, go ahead and please show me how to run each of these 4 bots. We'll go ahead and test them now that they're done. And if there's any errors, I'll send them back to you. Thank you. Run codex full auto. Thank you, dude. Thank you, bro. Codex full auto is nice. Codex. Undev. Codex. Codex. Full YOLO mode. Thank you, bro. See, I like you guys dropped so much fire in the chat. So grateful. Thank you. Okay, she's done though. Perfect timing. Yeah. So now let's see. I added server side bars layer here. User scripts, user positions API. The new pieces get API bars symbol. Beautiful. Two important constraints came out of the code and data model. First, the raw tick DB only stores the symbol and the price and the timestamps. So real traded volume does not exist in storage yet. I exposed open, high, low, close volume style bars anyways, but the V is currently 0.